Cycles are getting more affordable in India, and latest update from Ultraviolette added one more option for buyers looking to enter the segment at a slightly lower price point. The company has added a new entry variant to the X-47 crossover lineup. The new model, simply called X-47, is priced at 2.49 lakhs, making it 15,000 rupees cheaper than the original trim. Most of the motorcycle remains unchanged. They've just removed the Hypersense radar package. The lower price does not get any radar-based safety systems and higher trim. Feature removed also includes rear collision warning, blind spot detection, lane change assist, overtake alert. These features were introduced as a part of the advanced rider assistance package seen on the higher variants. For riders who prefer straightforward riding experience, does not want the extra electronic system, this variant may be more practical. Even though this is a base variant, it still carries the same electric motor and battery option as the other systems. 27 kilowatt hour electric motor, top speed of 145 kilometers per hour, 0 to 102.8 seconds, claims range of 211 kilometers, 7.1 kilowatt hour battery pack. With the addition of the new variant, now it has total 6 variants. The X-47 2.49 base, original 2.64 lakhs, Origin Plus 3.09 lakhs, Recon 3.59 lakhs, Recon Plus 4.09 lakhs, Desert Wing 4.59 lakhs. Earlier this year, a battery flexible subscription model was also introduced with Eco 5. Under this, the motorcycle price dropped to 1.49 lakhs. Battery subscription is at 2,500 Indian rupees. Battery gets 5 years warranty. At the end of the subscription period, battery ownership is transferred to the customer without extra payment. The plan was to reduce the upfront cost for the EV buyers.